Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to create a map on the Google Maps itself. If you want to create your own map that you can use offline without interconnection, you can easily do it. You have to hold a finger on the point of their interest and here scroll to the right. Now we have to tap more and tap offline map, download offline map. Now you can select the preferred area for downloading. So for example, let me download this part of the Krakow and tap download. Here now we can go back, tap this profile picture in the top right corner, and here we have the offline maps. Here, as you can see, we have our offline maps, and here we can select our own map and use it without any interconnection. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.